And to be honest with you, today is weekend and a lot of people will be eating ice cream, cakes, biscuit, you name it. So, and to be honest with you, I eat certain things sometimes. I'm saying, Lord of mercy, why I'm doing that? You know what I mean? But sometimes you just feel for something and you're gonna wanna do it. All right, Craig, what's going on? Big up yourself. Every time. Yeah, man. My respect goes for you. All right. So we want to be doing this quick recipe tonight and get it out of the way. So the first thing, what we're going to do, all right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're welcome. All right. Yeah. So the first thing what we're going to be doing is Happy Monday and Christmas. Craig, big up yourself, man. You know the thing already. All right, we're going to get a lime. All right, that's the first thing we're going to be get this evening. And get our cup. We're going to squeeze out the lime. As I said, we're not making a lot of tea. Just a simple little recipe tonight. Yeah. All right. So you want to drink this 1 teaspoon of lime juice. We're going to put some water to about 1/2 cup. All right. Craig, this is what you want to drink tonight. And just give the apple cider vinegar a good shake. All right. 1 teaspoon inside of it. And pour some hot water in it like this. Yeah, man. Give it a mix. Where do you, can you please pause the recipe? And this recipe is such an easy recipe still. It's just lime and apple cider vinegar, lukewarm water, and cold water. It's very, very easy recipe. So you say you drink 2 of this today? Very good. Well done. Well done for doing that to the man, because it's important. All right. Important to keep the body flushing all the time. Because sometimes we still eat and, you know what I mean, we still have to flush the body and look after the immune system. All right, so what we're gonna do, try this one. Wow, a little bit more water. Still have to be careful because the apple cider vinegar, you know what I mean, you have to just be careful of with the number.